Hello students, I welcome you all to this video lecture on procedure and incidence of GST. In this video, we will be looking after the illustration 5 that was asked in the year 2019 by Mangalore University for BCom students. Determine the total GST payable on a machine using the details given below. This is an interesting problem. You will get to know the reason why in a while. Selling price of machine. So sale price or selling price is given rupees 1,47,500. It is inclusive of CGST at 9% and SGST at 9%. If you recollect the format video that we had gone through, I clearly mentioned that the amount should always be exclusive of GST. Here they have given inclusive of GST. What should we do? Very simple. We have to exclude. The amount is there. The amount is included here. Find out what is the GST amount that is there and just deduct that amount from this total and you will get the selling price excluding GST. Cost of durable and returnable packing included in the sales price. Very simple. Just deduct this. Design and development charges paid by buyer on behalf of seller, that is to a third party, 6,000. So this expense is not included, so we have to include. Warranty charges charged by the seller separately, 2,000. This also we have to take into account. Rate of GST 18%. Very simple problem but very interesting also. So let's find out the solution. We have to compute the value of supply. Along with that, we have to also go for the amount of GST payable also. First, let us take the selling price which is given, that is 1,47,500. But the problem is it includes GST. So we have to take the CGST and SGST and deduct that amount. So here you have to understand 1,47,500 is the amount which includes GST. What is the rate of GST? 18%. So if you remember the formula that we discussed, the amount should be multiplied by the rate of GST and then it should be divided by 100 plus rate of GST. Rate of GST is 18. So 1,47,500 into 18 divided by 100 plus 18 will get the amount of GST. When we deduct this, we will directly get the selling price of machine, that is excluding GST. This is very important for us. 1,47,500 minus 22,250. Next, we have to take some additions that we have to do. Design and development charges. What is the charge? 6,000. There is one more, that is warranty charges. What is the charge? Just a second. Yes, 2,000. So when we add this, we will get the amount will be 1,33,000. That is 1,25,000 plus 6, 1,31,000 plus 2, 1,33,000. Now we will have to deduct cost of durable and returnable packing. The amount after deduction will be 1,28,000. That will be the transactional value of supply. So on this, now we have to find out CGST and SGST payable. How did you get to know CGST and SGST is payable? Two reasons. One, they have mentioned nothing about where the product is being sold or the machinery is being sold. And second case, they have clearly mentioned that CGST and SGST is included. That means the intra-state sale has happened. So we can very easily find out that we also have to compute CGST and SGST payable. So 11,520, 11,520. The total GST payable will be 23,040. So that's it. Any doubts? Please let me know. Thank you.